Hey folks, this is Gabe at Security.org, and I want to do a brief mini-series on crypto wallets, explaining what they do, what they can't do. And I really want to start by thinking about Web 2, right? Like that's what we all use, payments, we're used to it. You go on, make a credit card purchase. I remember when I first started trying to do that, I found something on eBay. It was those shoes that you grind with. I was like, hey mom, dad, I really want to grind with these shoes so I can grind all day long, not just when I'm rollerblading. I said, hey, give me your credit card. I can buy these shoes, it'll be awesome. I'll be the coolest dude at school. Wasn't really true, but they weren't really into paying things online yet. Fast forward 20 years, everyone wants to do it. Like we're not in middle school anymore. Everyone's paying for things all the time. It's ubiquitous. My parents are great at it. So we have to answer this basic question. That was Web 2. What about Web 3? What about crypto wallets? What does this mean? In its most basic form, a crypto wallet is a piece of software that proves that you are the owner of an account or a unique address where there is crypto stored. Now you can use your wallet to authorize payments to other people. You can use your wallet to do a number of things that we're going to dive into. But because each crypto account is unique, it essentially allows for you to manage and verify your online identities. And this is huge, right? Because at the end of the day, I can make a virtual credit card. I can do a lot of things to not be a real person in one sense. But if I can just use a crypto address that we know what's going on with this address, then I'm Gucci. I don't have to do all these other things. In short, a crypto wallet not only is a form for you to use for payments, but it's also a way for you to navigate the world. Imagine where you can just go into social media or instant messaging account and everyone knows who you are because you are the person with access, or the owner rather, of a unique crypto address. So of course you have to install it. So how does that work? I mean, how do we make this actually function? Well, you're going to go to the developer site. You're going to go to maybe a browser extension, or maybe you're going to go into the mobile app store, but you're going to figure out a way to download whatever wallet that you're using, and that will be your unique identifier. Now what they do is they have a string of characters that can be used to represent you on the web. And if you want to receive some crypto, you can simply just give that address to other folks. So now let's talk a little bit about what it means to have crypto in a wallet versus having an exchange, because you might be saying, hey, I already have an exchange. I already know how to do stuff. Well, let's talk about that. So you have exchanges like Binance.com, Crypto.com, Coinbase, and these are great places to buy cryptocurrency with debit cards, with ACH transfers, even with credit cards, you can make that conversion. You can also use a crypto exchange to swap one cryptocurrency for another pretty easily. However, the exchange is fundamentally different from a wallet. When you place crypto in an exchange, it is directly under the control of the exchange. It is not just yours anymore. Now, if you want to send, for example, crypto from one person to another person using that exchange, this is kind of like a third party thing. You're telling the organization to send it on your behalf, kind of like the way we use banks. Now you can contrast that with when you use an actual wallet. Now, when you do a crypto transaction with a wallet, that's kind of just like having money in your pocket. You know, I'm going up and I said, you know, I need a lamp. This guy on the corner has a lamp. I give him cash and that's it. So it's basically like I'm not using any other third-party organization with which to send that. I'm just cash straight up giving that person the money for something. Now, while an exchange can indirectly perform a lot of the things that a wallet can perform, it is not the same. And in fact, it does have advantages to a wallet, right? There are certain things that I can't do unless I have an exchange at hand, basically. But if you want to just be, you know, that person who's cash wealthy in a sense, you need to have a crypto wallet. And just as an aside, some people don't do this for anything. Someone in my family, an older member of my family, still goes up to the airline counter and buys tickets. He does not buy his tickets for flights online. So we're talking Hawaii, Alaska. They don't really travel anymore, but beforehand they would just pay cash at the counter for flights, which is wild to me. All right, so thanks for checking out part 1 in our brief mini series on crypto wallets. Now, this is a beginner's guide. We have more in-depth stuff over at the website, Security.org. Be sure to check that out. And be sure to check out the rest of the videos in today's series. They're short, they're quick, you know, a little amuse-bouche before you dive in to buying your own wallet or using various exchanges. Thanks for watching. My name is Gabe. This is Security.org. Be secure.